Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur video in Davinci Resolve, whether you're looking to add a creative effect to your footage or need to obscure sensitive information. This straightforward process will help you apply and customize blur effects with precision. Let's dive right in. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed to modify your video clips. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on Effects. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Resolve FX. This is where Davinci Resolve keeps its built-in effects library, including various blur options that can transform your footage. You'll now see Resolve FX Blur, which contains different types of blur effects you can apply to your video clip. Take a moment to explore the options available. You might see choices like Gaussian blur, radial blur, or directional blur, each offering a unique visual style. For example, let's say you want to apply radial blur. Simply drag it from the effects panel and drop it directly onto your video clip in the timeline. The effect will apply instantly, and you'll see the blur appear on your footage. If you want to adjust the blur settings to fine-tune the effect, click on the video clip that now has the blur applied. This selects the clip and allows you to access its properties. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for making detailed adjustments to effects and properties. Within the Inspector, click on Effects. This opens up a list of all effects currently applied to your selected clip. Now click on Open FX to reveal the customization options for the blur effect you've applied. Here's where the magic happens. You can now edit the blur to match your creative vision. For example, if you're working with radial blur, you'll see parameters like smooth strength, blur type, and blur symmetry. Smooth strength controls the intensity of the blur, blur type lets you choose between different rendering styles, and blur symmetry affects how the blur radiates from the center point. Play around with these settings until you achieve the look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully applied and customized a blur effect in Davinci Resolve. This technique gives you creative control over how your footage looks and allows you to add professional polish to your videos. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.